Hi guys, it's Kyle Herbs here from HTS Sasolburg. We are a technical high school. We specialize in 9 different specializations like power systems, electronics, digital, and civil, fitting and turning, and woodworking, and etc. And we also do at HTS we do your N subjects. So after school you don't have to go out and do your N subjects over. You do it all in one until N3. The learners that come here today, the things that they experience and the things that they learn and see with their eyes, to inspire them, if they work hard in life and learn hard in life, that they can achieve their dreams no matter what the outcome is. Because the science is moving forward and our engineering is moving forward very fast, and it's helping a lot of people, and I think it's very fun. Actually, it's very fun because science, you learn new stuff, and in the future and the new technology, you learn new stuff. I think Sasol has a very big impact on our country, especially if they're hosting Techno X, because learners can come and see all the specialization, all the new technology that we have in the future.